You alright guys? Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be talking about how I get money pretty much, and how I'm a full-time artist. I'm going to be signing all of these prints that are dropping tomorrow. Let me just show it to you guys. Alright, so I've got 50 prints and I'm going to be dropping them tomorrow, like I said. And these are the holographic Toxic Bart prints. Yeah, I've been waiting to do this for so long, but yeah, finally get to do it. It kind of looks really weird on camera, but yeah, so I'm going to be signing them today, and I'm also going to be talking about how I pretty much have made a living from doing my art. So yeah, how do I make my money? So the first thing I always say to people who ask me this question is you have to put in work. You have to sacrifice everything to make it, pretty much. And that's what I kind of did. So I'm going to tell you my story now. So I left uni in 2017, the summer of 2017, and I said to myself, I'm going to make something out of myself, my art. I started to create my own art and started to post it on Instagram, and then the dream was to get my own shop, get my own stuff going, so that I can make a living off my own art. From there, it kind of just started to build up, and now I'm a full-time artist and I do it all on my own. How do you get people to buy your work, and how do you get commissions and stuff like that? So there's two ways of getting money, pretty much, as an artist. There's commissions and there's creating your own shop, and that's kind of what I did. I focused on those two. So about 2 years ago, in 2017, I just finished uni and I was ready to start my own thing and kind of start my own business, start something from myself, you know. What I did was I focused on creating a shop. So what I have is a Squarespace shop. You do have to pay for it, but it's not too bad. I was uploading stuff to my Instagram, and I kind of just started to post like every day, starting doing art, you know, getting my work out there. And that's the first thing you have to kind of push. If you want to be a full-time artist, you have to put in the work. I kind of just post my art, and in Instagram you can put one link to your shop, and that's what I did. And I kind of just started dropping prints, and I get most of my prints printed from Awesome Merchandise, and they're great, the quality's great. And if you look at this, these are the new holographic prints. Yeah, so that's what I did. I started pretty much getting sales from Instagram and started, you know, promoting my stuff and networking with people. And what I mean by networking is pretty much just messaging an artist you like and telling them how good their art is, and then you just get talking, and then you never know what could happen from there. But that's what, you know, everyone says when they need to network, which that's super important. And you can do that on the internet, you can do that on Instagram like really easily. And I pretty much do it whenever I can. That's what you should be striving for. And now that I had my Instagram going and people were sort of buying stuff from my shop, it's really slow, you know. That's one thing you got to remember. You have to be patient. I started that, so I was doing my shop. I was pretty much spending all my money. I pretty much had no money at the start. Just coming out of uni, I probably less than 100 quid in my bank, and the money that I got, I was just putting it into the business. So I was just buying prints, buying merch and stuff like that, and trying to sell them. And yeah, it soon snowballed into more and more drops and prints and stuff like that. And I was also making originals, just putting them up, letting them stay there, and you never know who could buy it. So you should always put out your stuff, just let it be. Don't put any expectation on whether people are going to buy it or not. Just put it out there and see what happens, and you kind of you learn what will will, you know, will work, and you start doing the stuff that works and you stop doing the stuff that doesn't work. So it's all trial and error. I've got my shop, so that's where I get half my money, and the other half is commissions from doing stuff and showing my art on Instagram. People ask and they're like, oh, I love that, can you do that for me? And yeah, I do painted commissions and stuff like that. I've kind of slowed down lately because stuff's just been getting busier, and that's just how it is. But yeah, just being open to commissions and stuff like that is really good. I've had a good few like brands get in touch with me. I've had Cartoon Network reach out and I did some art for them. But yeah, like commissions are like another side of getting money. But to get commissions and get commissions you want, you have to be just putting yourself out there. Yeah, there's really no secret to like how to make a living as an artist. It's just, are you willing to put in the work to really make it? How much work you put in is, you know, that's gonna equate to how much success you have with your business. So to summarize, you just have to put in work. Like, you're gonna get something out of that. If people see you're committed, and they will reward you for that. And that's what's kind of beautiful about just doing your own thing and just seeing what happens. You just have to go all in on that. Commissions and opening your own shop is like what you need to focus on at the start, I feel, because then, you know, you can get so many things can come across on your journey that you would never expect from the start. And yeah, that's so cool when that happens. You got to be consistent. You've got to aim for commissions and aim to get your shop open. Definitely put your shop open first, and then the commissions will come. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, create content, God bless. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know below. And I'm always open to help people who ask these questions about starting their own stuff and like how to navigate through it. I'm happy to help, because I definitely was that person a few years ago, asking for help and having no idea what to do. But it all starts to piece together once you start focusing on it. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.